In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Trello to Google Sheets with a Zap in Zapier. We'll walk through the essential clicks to connect Trello as your trigger and Google Sheets as your action, so your data can move automatically with zero manual copy-paste. This is perfect for tracking cards, logging updates, or archiving activity in a spreadsheet for reporting. First, open Zapier and start fresh by clicking Create. This opens the workflow builder where all automations begin. From there, select Zap to start a new automation. You'll see a simple two-step layout, a trigger on the left and an action on the right. Let's set up the trigger. Click on Trigger to choose the app that will kick everything off. Use the search bar and type Trello. When it appears, click on Trello to select it. Zapier will then ask you to choose an event. This is the specific thing in Trello that should start the automation, like when a new card is created, moved, or updated. Pick the one that best matches your workflow. If you're unsure, think about the exact moment you want the spreadsheet to capture the data, such as when a card is added to a board or a specific list. Next, connect your account. Zapier will prompt you to sign in to Trello securely and authorize access. Make sure you're using the correct workspace and that you have the necessary permissions on the boards you plan to use. Once connected, Zapier remembers this link, so you won't have to do it again unless you change permissions later. After that, let's define what happens next by setting the action. Click on Action to choose the destination app where the data should go. Search for Google Sheets, and then click on Google Sheets when it appears. Just like before, you'll choose an event again. This could be adding a new row, updating a row, or creating a worksheet depending on what you want the spreadsheet to do when Trello triggers the Zap. Select the event that aligns with your goal. Finally, connect the account. Sign into your Google account and authorize Zapier. If you have multiple accounts, double-check you're connecting the one that hosts the target spreadsheet. Using a dedicated sheet for automation often keeps things neat and easier to manage. That's it for the setup flow. You've created a new Zap, chosen Trello as the trigger, picked an event, connected Trello, then selected Google Sheets as the action, chose the event again, and connected your Google account. From here, you're ready to finish configuring fields and put your automation to work.